or if you have one, and a favicon. A favicon is just a small icon that you find on a URL. So if you don't have neither, it's fine. You can just type your logo text here. What it will do is it will just, you can change the text, the logo font, and that looks okay. Or you can, it doesn't have to be anything insanely fancy. If you don't have a logo to add, you can change the color. I'll keep the theme color purple. No, the theme font, I like Montserrat. Now keyword, you can type in keywords here for SEO, you know, so for particular keywords that you might want to put in which will rank with SEO. Now the pixel code for analytics and tracking, so this is great for if you want to do Facebook retargeting, or you want to add Google Analytics, which will appear on the header and footer of your website. You can just add that code there, but I'll skip all this and just click save changes to the website, and we'll go on to next. Now here it says you can now choose 5 niches that you would like your website to focus on. Okay, so I'll click on affiliate, I'll click on traffic, I'll click on make money, I'll click on e-commerce and funnel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then click save and choose products. Now those 5 niches will appear at the top of the nav menu within our page. So our website is basically going to be divided into those 5 niches. Okay, so now what you then need to do here is basically choose 5 of those niches you've selected, check on the left, and on the right click on the star icon to rate your products, and you can preview the sales pages and affiliate pages before you set your rating. Well, for the sake of time, you pick your 5 products then, and you simply click this button here and you rate each one. Now with the affiliate link, what you will need to do is you need to remember, as we said before, the ClickBank affiliate links are automatically approved, but the Warrior Plus and the JVZoo, you'd have to click on the affiliate page and so on. But for the sake of time, I'm just gonna put something generic. It will look something like that, the JVZoo one, and the Warrior Plus will be different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just click on that, make sure you rate. You rate them, and then let's pick 5 here. Yeah, need to add the affiliate links. I'm rating them. Rate them. Affiliate link. One, 2, 3, 4. Make money niche. Rate. And the e-commerce niche. Okay. Remember to click on the affiliate page to get the actual affiliate links if it's not ClickBank. This one funnel. 2, 3, 4. One more. Okay, so right, okay. So just save, proceed to pick. So just to recap, you know, we've selected each product from 5 of the different niches, and we choose 5 affiliate programs. We rate them. You want to go to the sales page and affiliate page to grab the ID and paste it back into the software. For the sake of time, I've just copied and pasted the JV Zoo affiliate link, but you will want to go to those pages. And then once that's done, you know, you click on next, and then what it will then do is now it will say you can choose your number 1 pick. And so basically what you can do is you can choose the top pick for each niche, and this will appear at the top of the page of that niche as your top recommendation. So either, you know, the good thing is you can add your own video, or you know, you can actually take a review video from YouTube, but this software will actually do it all for you by just clicking here. It will automatically add the video for you. So if you just click this button here and then remember to rate it. Remember, you need to go to the affiliate page to get the actual link, but for the sake of time, I'll just paste the JV Zoo link. Again, click this button here, rate the product, get the affiliate link. Again, click this button here, rate the product, and then you get the affiliate link, and then click here, product, one more, this one, and then just save and proceed to sidebar once you've done that. Okay, so then what it will do is next you'll be able to choose from 2 7x2 weight by 90 banner ads. So basically these are elements that you can add to the sidebar. You know, these are banners basically, so you can pick 2. So if I'll just click on here, you can see these are ClickBank banners. I'll click on these 2 here. Again, you can always click on here to, you know, view the sales letter and affiliate page, but for the sake of time we'll move on. And then also you can choose another 2 300 by 325 banner ads. So I'll select these 2 here. You see it's got the affiliate links here, and then you can also paste your autoresponder code. So you know to collect leads through, you know, your autoresponder like Aweber, you could just copy and paste that code there, but I'll skip that for now. And over here as well, you can actually, what you can do over here, you can enter your social URL, which actually appears as a clickable subscriber link within the sidebar. So you know, you could add your details there, but for that I will skip that for now. And if you just click on congratulations. Okay, so now if we click on share, basically it'll ask you to type in a keyword that best describes the product or service you want to promote. So internet marketing, we're going to put in internet marketing, and then you click proceed and choose content. Okay, and so over here now there'll be a question, an answer, and then an image. So it's step 2, choose content. Now you can choose the question that will build curiosity and entice people with benefits. So if we, you know, put the question 1, do you want to launch an online business in minutes? Click on there and then choose your call to action. This website answers the question and solve your problem. So the question is, do you want to launch an online business in minutes? And then, you know, you can put, then you're in luck, here's how to launch your business. That's the answer. And then select your image, which will grab attention. Okay, so if I like this image here, You select this image, and then now if you're happy with that, proceed to preview and edit. So you can see now, basically, you know, you can preview now. This is how it's gonna look your site once you're ready to post. So now if you save and click on get traffic, what will happen here now, basically, you can see that we've categorized all the different categories into basically different social sites. So sites that have over 100 million users, ones that focus on list building, ones that you know focus on e-commerce buyers, and so on. So the last step is really then you just kind of, it's time to share this site so you can start to generate traffic. So if you click on, for example, Twitter, and interesting, what it will do is then that site you've built will then be, this is how it will look. This will be up your site. It will then be shared across all those different platforms, and people can click on the site and click on it, and yeah, that's it. It'll take you back to, they'll be able to purchase from you. So thanks for watching the video. If you get stuck with anything, reach out to support.